Hi guys! Recent a new AI niche is growing fast that few people notice. While some channels have already gained a lot views from it, in this video, I will share an easy method to create the ASMR face squeeze videos. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Prompt. As usual, we are using ChatGPT for prompt generation. When you enter ChatGPT, paste this content in the dialog. I will put the content in the description. Then click on Submit. ChatGPT will then provide 6 facial expression ideas for you to choose. Select the one you like and type in the number. Take number 1 for example. ChatGPT will then give you full prompts for image and video generation. You don't need to think about the prompts at all. Step 2. Text to image. With the prompts ready, we are using HitPaw Photopea for image generation. You can find the official links of the tools in the description. Click on AI Generator, then click on Text to Image. Here, copy and paste the image prompts from ChatGPT, and paste it in the prompts area. Choose Nano Banana 2 model. Click on Generate, and there we have slime face image ready. Try more times and save the one you like. Step 3. Image to video. Now we simply head to HitPaw Photopea for video generation. Click on AI Video Generator. I usually choose the Kling model and the VO3 model myself. You may try other video models yourself. Then import the image we created just now. Back to ChatGPT, copy and paste the video prompt in the area. Next, choose the duration and aspect ratio as you like. And turn on the native audio button. Move on to Generate. When it is completed, we have this funny and satisfying ASMR face squeeze video. This video is a little bit exaggerated. You may refine the prompt to get softer results. Alright, that's the tutorial for this video. Hope it helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI contents and tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.